Hi Winnipeg, I'm Allison O'Toole of Allison in the City and Century 21 Backman Associates. I'd like to welcome you today to 86 Purple Sage Crescent in the family neighborhood of Sage Creek, an area with so many community events, walking trails, and the shops down the street. Now let's go inside and take a look. The popular Monticello floor plan offers the convenience of a functional space and a floor plan for easy living. With over 18-foot ceilings and large oversized windows with so much natural sunlight, this space is both impressive yet intimate for family gatherings. The walk-through pantry from the mudroom to the kitchen is convenient for those large weekly grocery trips. The second level offers larger bedrooms and closets and a 4-piece bathroom and linen closet down the hall. Find your serenity in the master bedroom with walk-in closet, a fabulous 4-piece ensuite with drop-in jetted tub and a glass shower. Imagine waking up to the peaceful sunrise overlooking the farmer's field, the sunset after a long day, and the starry nights as you fall asleep. Your private pie-shaped backyard with large deck, gas barbecue hookup makes this a great space for those large family barbecue gatherings. Have any questions or want to view this home? Feel free to give me a shout. I'm Allison O'Toole, and I want to be your realtor.